Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your email on Paxful. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, type in paxful.com and get into the official website. Now from over here, simply enter your credentials and simply sign in. Now right afterwards, you're going to find this kind of interface, and from over here go ahead, tap on this drop down icon beside your profile icon. Once you do that, you will get this option menu. From over here, tap on this option of settings. So once you do that, you will find this account settings section. So from over here, you should be able to simply change your email, but for that you need to go for the verification process, where you will have to simply verify your number, your email address, and your identification address and everything. Once you have perfectly verified yourself, then only you will be able to find this email option listed right over here below your number, including the change email option of that. So once you do that, you will be able to do so. Simply tap on change email, follow the on-screen prompts further, and then there you go, you will be able to change it, and that is it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on next video.